Let's build out our elements, starting with our heading. Select the text tool and click into the case study frame. Because we click directly into the frame, notice in the Layers section how Figma added the text inside of the frame. Type a placeholder text for the heading. Click anywhere on the canvas to stop editing the text content. The layer will still be selected, so we can continue styling it. Set the font size to 28, font weight to bold, and line height to 38. Since we're creating lots of layers for our case study page, let's rename this to Section Heading so we can find it in the Layers panel. Next, let's create our paragraph text. Click the canvas or press Escape to deselect the text layer. Then select the text tool. Click and drag to create a text box about 2/3 the size of the frame. Then let's type out a few paragraphs of default text. Notice how Figma remembered the typography properties from the previously created text layer. Let's update the font size to 20, the font weight to medium, and text resizing to auto height. We'll keep the line height at 38. The paragraphs need some separation to make it more readable. Open the Type Settings menu and find Paragraph Spacing. Then update the value to 24. Speaking of readability, let's set the width to 1000 to make sure we don't cause reading fatigue by placing too many or too few words on a single line. Lastly, rename this to Paragraph Text. Moving on, we'll need another text layer for our quote block. Select the text tool and draw a text box. We'll make it about the same width as the paragraph text. Type a placeholder for the quote box. Then increase the font size to 24, emphasize the text using medium italic, and update the text resizing to auto height. Keep line height at 38 and paragraph spacing at 24. We'll name this layer Quote. We want this quote to stand out more and act as a break between our paragraph text. So let's resize its width to 570 and set its horizontal text alignment to Align Center. Text alignment determines how text content is distributed within its bounding box. You can set text alignment on the horizontal or vertical axis from the typography section of the right sidebar. For horizontal text alignment, you have options to align the text to the left, center, or right. You can also justify text from type settings. With vertical alignment, you can align text to the top, middle, or bottom of the text layer's bounding box